The Three Little Pigs. There were three little pigs who lived on the farm. When the pigs were old enough, the mother pig told them to go live on their own and to stay safe from the big bad wolf. The three little pigs set off to find homes. The first little pig built his house out of straw. The second little pig built his house out of sticks. The third little pig built his house out of bricks. After the houses were built, the pigs were happy until one day when the big bad wolf came to town. He walked up to the first little pig's house. Little pig, let me come in," said the wolf. "Not by the hair of my chinny chin," said the first little pig. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in," said the wolf. He huffed and he puffed, and the straw house fell in. The first little pig ran squealing to the second little pig's house. Soon the wolf came to the second little pig's house and blew it down too. A short while later, the wolf came to the third little pig's house. He huffed and he puffed, and the brick house still stood strong. The wolf climbed up on the chimney. The three little pigs had placed a pot of boiling water in the fireplace. The wolf jumped down the chimney and landed right in the hot water. "Wolf soup, anyone?" asked the third little pig. Okay, the next story is The Fox and the Geese. This story is from England. There once was a goose who had 3 young daughters. The mother goose told her daughters to go and build nests of their own. She warned them to watch out for the mean Mr. Fox. The first little goose built her nest with some boards with a box lid for the roof. The second little goose built her nest with bricks and made a roof of straw. The third little goose built her nest out of strong tiles. Soon Mr. Fox came to find the geese. He came to the first little goose nest. It was easy for him to get into and have a goose dinner. The next night, Mr. Fox was hungry again. He went to the second little goose nest. He could not get in through the bricks and straw. But Mr. Fox was very hungry, so he went home and came back with a lighted bundle of straw. The second little goose nest quickly burned down, and Mr. Fox had another goose dinner. The third little goose heard the sad news about her sisters. She made sure everything on her nest was very secure. Mr. Fox came to visit her and tried to get into her nest, but he could not get in. But the third little goose had a better churn, and she told Mr. Fox to look in the churn for some food. While Mr. Fox was leaning over the churn, the little goose pushed him in and shut the lid on top. She rolled him down the hill and never saw Mr. Fox again.